I'll do big stuff. Here's Percy. Here's Scruffy. And my cat just showed up. Here's Toad the Brakeman. Here's a mail car. Sorry if you hear random noises in the background, that's my cat. And this is a fuel car. Go away! Go away, Lucky! I'm busy! Sorry, that was my cat. And here's Duck the Great Western Engine. Oh, here's one I forgot. Another express coach. Go away! Go, go, go! Sorry, I have to get my cat out of the way. Here's George the Steamroller, and he does have his back wheels. And here's Emily. See? And she just tilted. Go away, Lucky. Lucky, go away! Sorry, I have to try to keep my cat away. Here's James. And here's Edward. Here's Thomas. And Toby. And one more. A caboose. Yeah. And, let me get my legs. I'll do wooden trains. Here's Duncan. Here's a Sodor car. Here's Bertram. And he came with 2 scrap cars. Here's the other one. I'll find the other scrap. Here's Sir Handel. Here's Catherine, the freight car. Here's Sodor Fuel. And here's Diesel 10. Here's George the Steamroller. Here's Scarloey. Here's Elizabeth. And Catherine came with this freight car. Here's the other scrap from that car. And here's Harvey. Here's Gordon. Here's Derek the Diesel. Here's Peter Sam. Here's Thomas. Here's a Ron's Diesel. Here's a tar tanker. And here's the breakdown train. Here's Arthur. Here's Emily. And finally, here's Lady. So yeah, that's my Thomas the Tank Engine collection. And now it's a pretty big collection, actually. So yeah, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my channel for more videos. So I'll see you all later. Take care.